Our little Bella is having puppies. She is just doing such a good job. We just have 2 of them so far. Good girl. Good girl. I've already given you some water. I'll let you rest. This is a hard job. All mommies know. Oh my goodness. They say nature takes care of itself. And I guess that's the case in these 2 little sisters having puppies. The little one that was so rambunctious, that didn't listen very well, stepped in and helped the bigger one who had 8 puppies. She is helping to clean them and to nurse them.